Today I will share an interesting topic with you. Our factory is the source manufacturer of mice and keyboards. Let me introduce to you the process of producing mice and keyboards in our factory. We have a professional R&D team and sophisticated production equipment, from raw material procurement, production and manufacturing to final distribution and logistics. Everything is strictly controlled to ensure excellent quality and timely delivery. Membrane keyboard is one of the main products of our factory. Membrane keyboards are thin, portable, and easy to carry, and are suitable for use in various occasions such as office, study, entertainment, etc. In addition, the membrane keyboard has a crisp and pleasant tapping sound, which improves work efficiency. So, what areas can the mouse and keyboard be used in? Whether it's for office, study or gaming, our mice and keyboards can meet your needs. Especially with the continuous development of technology, people have higher and higher requirements for office, study, and entertainment equipment. A mouse and keyboard with superior performance will greatly improve work efficiency and entertainment experience. Today I will introduce it to you. I hope our mouse and keyboard can make your life more convenient.